Welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and enjoy all the art. And if you already follow me, welcome once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to master the art of getting inspiration for artists. How can you master and domain the art of getting inspiration and not losing it through the process and get motivated and get better results for your art? So let's get this video started. So first of all, you need to practice. You need to practice because this is going to be your best friend during this journey. If you practice a lot, and I mean like a lot, you're going to polish your skills. You're going to be better at your art, whether it's photography or illustration or sculpting. You're going to be better and better and better every day. Then face your feelings. And this is a part of the process that I know it's horrible, okay? And by facing your feelings, I mean that you need to put your art out there, whether it sucks or it's good. I know you might not get the people's reaction that you want, but you need to face those feelings of rejection, of people saying that, oh, your art is not that good, or people seeing it and saying like, oh, good work, that's wonderful. And that's okay, I know it's horrible, I've been there, but it's part of the process, and you need to face those rejection feelings of other people not liking your artwork, or people ignoring your artwork, like not doing or saying anything about it. I know that's hideous as well, but that's part of the process. And if you practice and embrace those feelings, that you overcome your fears in showing everything that you are creating, whether it's good or bad, you're going to see eventually an evolution. And with that evolution, you take the motivation that evolution through time has given you, and you get obsessed with your goal. And I know obsession, it's not a really good thing, but if you apply it correctly, you can get amazing results. Okay, while you're obsessed with your goal and practicing a lot and seeing your evolution and facing your feelings, don't compare to other artists. I know this is a tough one. I know this is hard because we see a lot of different artists on social media. Don't compare yourself to them because you're in your own process and you're discovering many things along the way in the process. You're discovering new techniques on how to improve your art. You're discovering new ways on how to show it. You're discovering your style. So remember this, comparing yourself to other artists kills your art. And while you're scrolling on Instagram and seeing other people's art, you can get inspiration from other artists. And you can not only get inspiration from other artists' work, you can get inspiration from music, from movies. In my case, movies has been like a really helpful tool for creating my artwork. Then the last stage of this process is pressure. The pressure can come to you in many ways. You are maybe starting as an illustrator and someone approach you or see your artworks and say, oh my god, you're an illustrator, I want to hire you for an illustration project that I have. And you're like, oh my god, I don't know if I can deliver this. But you can. And that's because of the pressure that you're getting, that you have to deliver the job. In my case, my pressure comes from my Patreon page. I have a Patreon page that you can check out on any time. Find me as Joha Art Studio. But the thing is, my Patreon page, it could be really stressful sometimes because I have a due date for uploading all the content of the month that I promise in the tires for my patrons. So that's pressure and I need to deliver it on time, and I need to do or create the best artwork as possible because they are supporting my art. There's money involved, so if people are paying you money to see your art, that's pressure. And remember, the most beautiful diamonds or jewelry are made with fire and pressure. And that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like it, click the like button. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe and activate the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to see more art outside my YouTube channel, you can follow me on any of my social media or check out my Patreon page. I'm Joha, and see you on the next one. Bye!